Welcome to English Rush. We all make small mistakes in English every day, but in today's video, you'll learn how to fix them in minutes. He do homework every day. He does homework every day. Note: use does with he, she, or it. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Tip: after didn't, use the base form. He is married with a doctor. He is married to a doctor. Tip: always use to after married. I have a good news for you. I have good news for you. Here's a tip. News is uncountable. Don't use a. She is more better now. She is better now. Note: don't use more with comparatives. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Note: agree is a verb. Don't use am with it. You like coffee? Do you like coffee? Tip: for questions in the simple present tense, use do or does. I am living here since 2010. I have been living here since 2010. Tip: use the present perfect continuous tense for ongoing or repeated actions. I have much friends. I have many friends. Tip: use many for countable nouns and much for uncountable ones. Do you have some money? Do you have any money? Note: use some in positives and any in questions or negatives. Where you are. Where are you? Here's a tip. In questions, the verb comes before the subject. I like orange. I like oranges. Note: use the plural for countable nouns to express general preferences. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. Note: use for when waiting for someone or something. She didn't eat anything. She didn't eat anything. Note: after didn't, use the base verb. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss it. Here's a tip. Discuss already means to talk about. Can you borrow me your pen? Can you lend me your pen? Note: borrow means to take, lend means to give. I have few books. I have a few books. Note: few means almost none, and a few means some. I'm looking forward to see you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Here's a tip. After to used as a preposition, use the ing form of the verb. She can sing very well. She can sing very well. Note: use the base verb after can, could, will, or would. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. Here's a tip. Use prefer A to B, not than. He explained me the rule. He explained the rule to me. Here's a tip. Use to for the person. He is interested on music. He is interested in music. Note: use interested in, not on. I have visited Paris last year. I visited Paris last year. Note: used past simple for a specific time. If I will see him, I will tell him. If I see him, I will tell him. Note: use present simple tense after if. What you are doing? Why she is crying? What are you doing? Why is she crying? Here's a tip. In questions, the verb comes before the subject. There is many people here. There are many people here. Note: use are with plural nouns. She has 3 childs. She has 3 children. Note: use the correct plural form. He didn't wrote the email. He didn't write the email. Note: after didn't, use the base verb. He doesn't knows the answer. He doesn't know the answer. Tip: after doesn't, use the base verb. I didn't understood why he left. I didn't understand why he left. Here's a tip. After didn't, use the base verb. She didn't told me the truth. She didn't tell me the truth. Here's a tip. After didn't, use the base verb tell. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. Note: never use more with ER adjectives. She didn't came to school. She didn't come to school. Tip: after didn't, use the base verb. I have saw that movie. I have seen that movie. Note: after have or has, use the past participle. Seen, not saw. He said me the story. He told me the story. Note: use tell when you mention the listener. Me is the listener. Use told. I didn't knew about it. I didn't know about it. Note: use the base form after didn't. She is good in dancing. She is good at dancing. Here's a tip. Use good at, not good in. She is afraid from spiders. She is afraid of spiders. Note: use afraid of, not afraid from. I'm not agree with this idea. I don't agree with this idea. Note: use don't agree, not am not agree. He said me to go. He told me to go. Note: use tell someone to do something. She didn't done her homework. She didn't do her homework. Note: use base verb after didn't. Every student like the teacher. Every student likes the teacher. Note: use S with he, she, it, or singular subjects. How does it look like? What does it look like? Note: incorrect because how and like can't be used together. Where are you come from? Where do you come from? Note: use do or does and the base verb to make questions in the present tense. She can sings. She can sing. Note: after can or could, use the base verb, not the S form. I have friend. I have a friend. Here's a tip. Use a or an with singular countable nouns. She born in 1990. She was born in 1990. Note: use was born for past events. I have many work. I have much work, or I have a lot of work. Note: work is uncountable. Use much or a lot of. I know him good. I know him well. Note: use well to describe ability, not good. Me and my friend went to the park. My friend and I went to the park. Note: always put others first and use subject pronoun I. She told that she is tired. She said that she was tired. Note: no object after told, so use said.